Welcome. Welcome to Presto. You got it. Where we use insight for comments and analysis to make your learning easy, interesting, and fun. In addition, on academyforadvancedstudy.com, we offer many tutoring programs to help you. From SAT, ACT, AP, all the college prep materials to K through 12 subjects, college level materials, and advanced topics in statistics, computer science, data science, programming, and engineering. We even cover medical school prep. So if you want to go to medical school, we can help you too. Again, at a very affordable price. Now let's go back to our talk today. What we want to do today is to give you a short talk to help you encapsulate what you learned the last time into your memory so you can dream machine learning in your dream every night. This will help you make your life much easier and interesting. Because I think that it's quite convenient if you can have a short video with a video to help you encapsulate what you learned last time. So what we're trying to show here in this video is to show two things. How the predictive model is built and how the predictive model is used, or in other words, how machine learning is used and how machine learning is built and how machine learning is used. So let's start. Here we have 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. First step, we have a bunch of entries. Each entry we have a set of X features or attributes. So X1, X2, X3 for each entry. And we have, again for each entry, Y, the label, what we want to know once we have a set of X. So key thing to note here is that all these X or Y entries, they are past observations. They are not the new data we are interested in, new situation we are interested in. They are past observations, but we need them for us to build this machine learning model or predictive model. So step 1 is about collecting the past observation data. Please note here, it should include both X and Y. Step 2, what we're trying to show here is that step 2, we are doing the training. Training is about fitting the data into a function and try to make that function resemble the relationship exists, if there is such a thing, between the bunch of X values and that Y label. So key thing to remember here, it's almost in all situations we don't have a perfect relationship. All we can do is to do as much as we can to make the prediction as accurate as possible or as useful as possible. So what the training is about is, again, to emphasize, is about relationship. That's what that trend line in the background shows. And on top of that, we have a bunch of mathematical operations, and that you are very familiar with. And of course, when you actually do the training, you use much more complicated operations. What we are trying to show here is that applying these operations together with the input data or on the input data to predict that relationship. So that's the second step you need to encapsulate into your memory. Third step and the fourth step, they are actually they kind of work together, but we will still break down one by one. Third step, what we're trying to emphasize here, After step 2, we have a predictive model, a machine learning model, a software application that encapsulates the relationship. This is probably the best way to describe that. All this is used to encapsulate the relationship because the relationship is messy, and we need a much sophisticated model to encapsulate the relationship. It's not a simple linear, in most situations, simple perfect linear relationship. So, and the way for us to describe this mathematically is y equals fx. So f is a function, f is a predictive model. With this predictive model, once we have a set of x, we can predict y. So step 3, we emphasize, now we have a predictive model, a software application. Step 4 is to do the inferencing. Inferencing is about taking a bunch of x values, try to predict the corresponding y value. Again, here we have a color coding that will help you encapsulate what you need to learn here. x1, x2, x3, they are input features for a new situation. Y is what we want to know about our fortune in this kind of a situation. So that's step 4. We think this is a very good reference talk when you need to refresh your memory to encapsulate what you need to learn. So remember, on academyforadvancedstudy.com and academyforadvancedstudy@gmail.com, we offer at very affordable price many tutoring programs to help you. That's all we have for you today. Thank you and have a great day.